your skin. It's disgusting. Stop putting makeup on. I feel sick looking at you. I've had acne for over 10 years now. For years, I had no confidence. Every time I looked in a mirror, I hated what I saw. Always having the thought of not being good enough, or not being beautiful or pretty enough. I hated going to school without any makeup on. I felt embarrassed. I hated it so much. I was bullied my whole life for my severe acne. I was getting called all sorts of names in school: chocolate nuts, pizza face. For years, I would hide my true identity behind my makeup. I would lose who I was and paint someone completely different on the outside. After years, I finally came to realize that makeup is there to enhance what's already there and not hide it. This is me. This is who I am. Real skin has texture, pores, and even the occasional blemish. I cannot help it. You don't need to have the most flawless skin to be beautiful. Build the confidence in knowing you're not perfect and that it's not a bad thing. We are all human and should embrace ourselves no matter what. We all have something we're insecure about. We are all beautiful, unique individuals. You are gorgeous. You are beautiful. Be yourself always. And keep shining.